Let's make delicious strawberry banana pancake. I'm using flour, milk, sugar, baking powder, eggs, strawberry, banana, and vanilla essence. I will have a full list of all the ingredients that I'm using right here. So now I'm going to crack my egg and I'm going to slightly beat it. Then now I'm adding the milk. Now I'm adding the vanilla. Followed by the sugar. I'm just whisking this around. Now it's time for me to add the flour and the baking powder. Just gonna mix this in to get all the lumps out. Now I'm adding the banana and the strawberries. So I already have my pot on the fire heating up. So I'm going to spray the pot. And now I'm adding the pancake mixture. When it comes to pancake, you make it the size of your choice. And here is my nice fluffy pancake. And all I need with this is some strawberries, some banana, and some syrup. There you have it, lovely people. Strawberry banana pancake. Thanks for watching. Bless up yourself.